Procore's integration of DocuSign lets you complete change orders, subcontractor agreements, invoices, and more, all sent and received seamlessly from Procore financials where you need them the most. I'm Kathy Amata, and today we're looking at the DocuSign Procore integration with Procore's Principal Strategic Product Consultant, Ron Benoza. Hey Ron, thanks for joining me here today. Why don't we kick things off by having you share a little bit of background on Procore?
Sure, I'm happy to be here and thanks for having me. Procore is an end-to-end construction management solution that transforms your business and unleashes the productivity of your employees for a more predictable, profitable business. From pre-construction to closeout and from field to office, Procore streamlines workflows, keeps teams in sync, and provides visibility across all your projects. In addition, Procore operates with an open API, which allows partners like DocuSign to integrate with Procore.
So it's great to hear about all the time savings we're providing to our customers. Today, the integration is used by thousands of customers across thousands of projects, and there's been a lot of love shown for the integration. In fact, one of our most recent customers said that it feels like stepping out of the dark ages, being able to finally go fully digital and move on to a fully online agreement process that's integrated with Procore. Can you walk us through what the integration actually looks like?
Absolutely. Let's take a closer look at how the Procore integration works. Once the DocuSign integration is enabled by your Procore point of contact, an option assigned with DocuSign will appear under each available tool. In this example, I'll be showing you how the DocuSign integration works in the Commitments tool. After you've entered the information required to move forward, simply click on the Create and Send with DocuSign button on the bottom right of the screen. Without leaving your screen, Procore will direct you automatically to DocuSign where you'll be able to manage your newly created envelope. Without leaving your screen, Procore will direct you to DocuSign where you'll be able to manage your newly created envelope. You can view your documents, assign a template, and everything that DocuSign offers. I'll go ahead and set my signing order, and while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and add a message to the recipients. And then I'm ready for the next steps. Screen, you'll notice that DocuSign has pre-filled the document with standard fields. You'll also have the option to add additional fields. I'll add an initial box next to each signature line here. Once I'm ready, click Send and DocuSign will bring you right back into Procore. Once you're back in Procore, there's now a banner that shows you a signature is pending. It also tells you whose signature is required. Note that the status of my document is still listed as out for signature. In this sequence, I'm logged in as Mario the plumber. I'll access the envelope through the email notification that DocuSign sent. As you can see, I can easily access this document to sign straight from my computer or my mobile device. I no longer have to print out an email, sign it, scan it, and email it back. Switching back to Ron, the general contractor, I can now see that my banner has been updated to a different color and message. As you can see, the banner is telling me that the document is ready for my signature. The integration makes it easy for the sender to access the document directly from Procore. However, you can also access the envelope from your email. I'll go ahead and complete the process by signing the document. Once I'm finished, DocuSign will bring me right back to Procore with an updated banner. DocuSign will also automatically change the status of my document from out for signature to approved. Last but not least, the executed copy of the document is now saved within the commitments.
That's awesome. Thanks so much for walking through that. Outside of the financials tool integration, are there other areas that we're integrated with as well within Procore?
That's a great question, Kathy. The integration is also available in our correspondence and documents, giving folks the same ability to send documents out for signature right from Procore's documents and correspondence tool. This integration is included for any Procore client with a DocuSign account.
That's great news. Well, Ron, thank you so much for joining me here today for the Partner Spotlight Series. Really appreciate your partnership. Hope to speak to you soon again.
Thanks for having me.
If you'd like to learn more about how to activate your DocuSign Procore integration, you can reach out to your DocuSign or Procore account teams. And if you're interested in exploring a partnership with DocuSign, reach out to partners@docusign.com.